how do you see Stewwi evolving in the next couple of years? Like, do you see things that are on the horizon that you're kind of saying, well, 2 years down the road, this is where we should be kind of idea? Is there anything from that angle that you can share?
It's exciting to think about how Stewwi can continue to evolve over the coming years to best support the needs of clients. A couple areas that we're focusing on is to develop algorithms that can better interpret data so that it can be automated, how sensors interpret the data and demonstrate the savings based on time of day that equipment might be running when you wouldn't expect it to, or that there might be some nuance in how much energy might be used by certain equipment. So algorithms can be really powerful to help automate some of the ideas that our engineers and consultants bring in terms of the 25 years of experience that Enviro-Stewards has had. And to make the lives of the plant staff easier. So data visualization is an area that we're interested in continuing to grow, that clients can better see the different categories that energy consumption might be going to, or better visualizing where sensors are placed around the facility and getting notifications when maintenance is needed on equipment. So all these things can really help make the lives easier of those people that are actually using the data.